Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. I believe that you deserve to expand. Okay? When I was growing my business, when it first started, it was really small. I'd had to be talking, maybe one or two clients, and things were just really slow. It wasn't until that I understood how to expand and started expanding that things became more fun because I was, dealing with my clients. I was seeing them improve. I was seeing their lives being transformed. I was getting, just more and more interviews. I was getting more and more known in the industry, just getting a lot more people to understand us. My community was growing. A lot of different things were going on at that time, and things became more fun. That's what I believe that we deserve. That's why I believe we deserve to expand. Because when we started business for a lot of different things. But I think that it's more rewarding when things are working out and when you're starting to, understand and enjoy all the joys that come with being able to help out more people. If that's what you've been searching for, I recommend you go get in alignment with our community. So all that means is just go join our free community called Uncapped Growth Strategies. There's a link in the description below. Inside, we give you step-by-step information for, us to start growing the way that I believe we deserve. If that's what you're searching for, go check out the link in the description below. Have a great day. See you soon. Talk to you later. Have a great one.